What is something you wish people knew about overfishing?
The thing that I wish that people knew about overfishing is it doesn't need to be this way. We could be regenerating coastal economies rather than destroying the seabed, the ecosystems, the habitats. The ocean has a secret weapon. It's its natural ability to rebound and to recover. That's the biggest source of hope that we have.
Why do we need to protect the ocean?
Science tells us that we need to be protecting about a third of land and sea to give nature a chance to recover from the pressures of climate change, equipping coastal communities with the rights and the information that they need to regenerate fisheries.
Finish this sentence. You should care about ocean life because
there is no life without ocean life.